Good evening to all. Today I have taken another type of dry gas seal, which is tandem dry gas seal system. It is a, you can say it is two dry gas seal acting in the same direction or in series. So dry gas seal system fundamental. So dry gas seal is used for hydrocarbon application because we cannot release the hydrocarbon into the atmosphere because of safety aspects. And dry gas seal supply system should be more than the process gas as well as the flare pressure. And rotating part of dry gas seal is tungsten carbide. Stationary part of dry gas seal is carbon ring. The gap between two faces is 3 to 5 micron, and dry gas seal can be unidirectional and bidirectional. If it is unidirectional, then shape will be spiral grooving, and if it is bidirectional, then it is a T-shaped groove. The main component of tandem dry gas seal is a primary labyrinth seal, primary dry gas seal, secondary labyrinth seal, secondary dry gas seal, and floating carbon ring seal. So total five, one, two, three, four, five type of component used for the tandem dry gas seal system. So let's understand the schematic one for tandem dry gas seal. This is a primary labyrinth seal. This is a primary dry gas seal rotating component. This is a primary dry gas seal stationary component. This is a secondary labyrinth seal. This is secondary dry gas seal rotating component. This is secondary dry gas seal stationary component, and these two are floating carbon ring seal. This side is a compressor wheel pressure process side. This side is a bearing and oil reservoir side, and these are the seal supply for primary, which is for hydrocarbon, mostly in hydrocarbon. This is a secondary high pressure nitrogen. This is a separation supply, which is low pressure nitrogen. This is primary seal vent, which is connected to flare. This is secondary vent, which is connected to safe area location. And so this is arrangement. So how it works? So primary seal supply comes here, and most of the gas goes through the labyrinth to the compressor wheel pressure. So this pressure should be more than the wheel pressure, and this pressure also some leakage occurs, and which is going to primary vent. So this pressure is also greater than this. Then secondary supply high pressure nitrogen is leaking. Most of the gas nitrogen is leaking and goes to the primary vent. Again, there is a few percentage of leakage or few flow leakage through the secondary phases, and it vents to the secondary seal vent. And this is separation low pressure nitrogen, which is there is leakage and mixing to the, this side is secondary seal vent, and this side is goes to oil reservoir. So this is arrangement for tandem dry gas seal. Now look at into the schematic 2, same arrangement. You can see this is a primary labyrinth. This is a primary dry gas seal rotating part. This is a primary dry gas seal stationary part. This is secondary labyrinth. This is secondary labyrinth. Sorry, secondary dry gas rotating part. This is secondary dry gas seal stationary part, and these two are rotating floating carbon ring seal. This side compressor wheel pressure. This side is oil reservoir and gearbox and oil reservoir. This is primary supply, which is from hydrocarbon. Most of gas goes this side, and there is a minimum leakage which is going to primary seal vent. Then high pressure nitrogen is a secondary dry gas seal passing through the most of the gas passing through labyrinth goes to primary vent. Few leakage occurs between the secondary dry gas seal faces and goes to secondary vent. Slow pressure nitrogen comes here and passes through the labyrinth, through the carbon floating carboning goes to secondary vent, and then this side goes to the oil reservoir. So this is schematic 2 for tandem dry gas seal arrangement, and this is schematic third of tandem dry gas seal. Same thing it is shown here. This is primary seal supply hydrocarbon goes to primary, wheel pressure through the labyrinth here. Then dry faces here, you can see the red one is rotating part. This is a stationary part of primary dry gas seal. This is a secondary labyrinth. This is again red secondary dry gas rotating part. This is a secondary dry gas stationary part. and these two are floating carbon ring seal. So this is hydrocarbon, goes to most of to the process side, and few is goes to primary vent. This is a high pressure nitrogen, yellow color, goes to, most of the leakage go through the labyrinth goes to the primary vent, and few leakage goes to the secondary vent. This is a low pressure nitrogen, and after leakage through the the floating carbon goes to the secondary vent, and then this side it is going to oil reservoir. So this is a schematic third for tandem arrangement. So in tandem dry gas seal, we have considered two seals acting in the series and supported with the separation gas. So I hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching.